Hi there, I'll just show you how to assemble the Lumotrix 6-way luminaire. This is the carrier plate. There are 4 screw locations here and here, here and here, and on the back side you can assemble the power supply. There's some 4mm spacers that come from Farnell, and then there's 4 M3 nuts. The screws are M3 by 10, something of that nature. The space here for the driver electronics, and here we have the LED disc that will go in each one of these. I've only got one, so I'm just going to put it in one. It's got 4 holes in it, and there's 4 holes here for it to be screwed into, so I will do that now. And there's a pack of 400 self-tapping screws, and these can be used for this purpose. So I'll just do that. When you're screwing these LED discs in, you be very careful not to touch the yellow bit with your screwdriver. These self-tapping screws will actually bite into the LED disc, so they make a good contact. Now this carrier plate has there's a couple of 35mm standoffs, and there's one, and we're going to put these here now. And on the back I'm going to put a star washer and an M4 screw, you said. And the same with the other one. And these standoffs will stand the plastic away from the metal and will support it in the middle. So that's that bit done there. I will now get an extrusion. This is a side extrusion. This is not symmetrical, this side extrusion. This side has slightly more space than this side, because we're going to put the carrier plate in this slot in the middle, and we need more space for the power supply, so it goes in this way. There we go. And the plastic, which is Perspex actually, has 2 holes here, and these holes line up with the supports. So I'm going to put that in like that, and we have an M4 by 10 screw which will go in there. There's also one required for there, but I'm not going to put that in now, as this is only a demonstration. Also, of course, you have a reflector. This is a Leadville Brook reflector. You cut the pins off, and on each one of these LED engines you will stick the Brook reflector before applying the plastic. Now on the back here I am going to put the top plate. The top plate, I've left the plastic on. It's silver anodized, so it's not going to go get any corrosion. That white plastic would be taken off, and looking at the heatsink, I can apply some heatsink compound to here and here before I put the top plate on. Now the top plate, this hole on the top plate will line up with the AC power input on there. So that goes on like that, and then I have the other extrusion, and again it goes, the carrier plate goes in this slot here with the widest part to the top, and if I put that in like that, then we have this this bit assembled. Now there's two end plates, and again they've got white plastic on, but that can be removed, and where you have the air holes, they go to the top. And I'm just going to offer one up, and I will quickly screw it up. And won't be able to see it on the camera, but I'll just do the other one, the other corner. I'm not going to do the back one, but it goes on the same way. What you have is therefore the 4 screws done at each end, and here we have a little hole there, and this is for a screw that makes the earth contact if it'll go in. Yeah, that's better. And that will ensure that the end is earthed to the top plate, because the top plate is earthed via contact with the power supply, and the contact is made with these 2 little M3 screws which tighten the heat sinks up to the top plate, and that completes the assembly of the Lumotrix 6-way luminaire. Thank you.